if there is any other activity.
Lieutenant Jim Owesigire obirayo mjenyu mukuru atungira akakuma abarukwenda kutabangura obusinge mu ihanga. Umukoro go gubira hacishaye cyukuri muri Kiryandongo aho mjenyu mukuru atongoize burungi-bwansi ashagatirwa akacekwa akakura ka MK Mov't.
So ati mu bunyoro tukwetaga buchafu mujya kurwara so bagenero baronchingire burungi-bwansi mu biceka byetu bya bunyoro.
Michael Mawanda omwe habarokora MK Mov't asimira abantu habo kwijo mu bwinji kandi bakore ko bahagize kisinde cha MK.
Yenda kwibaza abantu ba Kiryandongo bijo mu bwinji ekitoro rwa ekitwe kugendera no kwenda kushomesa abantu bakabaza kwebiza aho batanka abantu tureke kwirukangira mu mikoro tukirwa mu mikoro tukataha tukarambikiriza.
For supporting M7. Thank you so much for supporting General MK. Our slogan in the MK movement, we say Museveni now, MK next.
Umukoro gwicirwa abantu nyamwinja baruma abanyamahaba ahumwire n'abarukora abebembezo ku rugombe cweka bitari umwe na bumwe hamwe n'enkuyanje y'abanyakiryandongo.
I want to tell you that I will go down on my knees to beg those who want to drag our country into bloodshed and persuade them not to do so.
We are ready to hand over the mantle to you. We are prepared. We are happy about this because we have now caught up with age. We are no longer energetic enough to do what we were doing since the 1960s and 70s.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katana habwa district ya Kiryandongo asimire president yokureta ubuteko mu ihanga.
It's not easy having all these people come from their different villages, come freely and sit here, enjoy, play football, eat food, dance. It means there is a peace.
Abantu bona bashemeriwe bareba boza narebo mbisho ako waherezo umuntu mu mutakagire mwebembezi wamure ko kwakubasa kwebeza uno bambagira ngo umuntu wako kumuhereze cyenyanja ninjaga bimente nyuma zikaza kwhereza abantu byenyanja ko wagize umuntu ko kubasa kumuhereza irobo hatu wogo nakwereza irobo kwa yakwereza
umukoro gukozerwa abahagizi ba MK abarukwegitira hamwe okushoborera abantu birungi bya MK Mov't kandi habera n'umushanje no guhisha kureta muri shema gashaka Sheikh Abdul Latif.